This is a 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a rear window defroster, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.